I have once again killed not one, but both of my batteries. So today we're going to talk about replacing batteries. I only replaced one battery in my Evora. The other one's on the charger. I'm not made of money. Batteries are expensive. We're going to make do with what we have. This is my EverStart battery, or as we like to call them, Never Start batteries. You can buy them pretty cheap at Walmart. They probably will not have the exact replacement you need, but here's what you need to know about buying a new battery for your car. First thing is group size. That's over here on this battery. You're going to see 26R. This refers to the actual size of the battery so that you know you're replacing it physically with one that will fit in place of your old one. R refers to the pole, so what side the positive and what side the negative is going to be on. This is important because in some cars your leads aren't going to be long enough to go back and forth. Next, you want to look at the sticker and you want to look for your cold cranking amps and, more importantly, your regular cranking amps, because unless you live someplace cold, we don't care about that. So you want to make sure that you have enough amperage to start your car. Generally, you can go a little bit over, even like pretty substantially over, without any consequences. The third thing we're going to care about is our warranty down here. This is a Never Start battery from Walmart. It's not going to make it to a year. It hasn't even made it like more than a week. Now, if you're like me and you have multiple cars or you have a project car, something I very heavily recommend and use in all my cars are going to be these quick battery disconnects so that you can undo your car terminals easily whenever you're not using the car so that you don't drain the battery, even if you have a parasitic drain. And just for proof, I actually use this. This is also in my Elise. Hopefully this is the last time I'm going to have to change out my car batteries for a while because I still don't remember to undo these, but yeah.